Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Oz with Oz Mechanics, and all right, we got this car right here. It says this is a 2010 Nissan Sentra. Customer called me and told me, hey, I need you to reprogram this computer right here. Bought it from the junkyard, and that's pretty much it. And my question is always, why? Why do you want me to reprogram it? What's going on? And let's try to figure this out. So what he was saying is that he got into the vehicle and he noticed that it wouldn't turn on. So that's when I started doing my visual inspection, and let me show you what we found right here. So right here we have where this is an area where the battery sits at, and this is the positive post, and we have the negative post down here. But when I was doing my visual inspection, look what we found. It's a little burn mark right there, and look at this. So I don't know if you saw my video on the, I think it was a blower motor resistor. We had the same issue with the vehicle, and that was causing it not to turn on. So what we have to do here is go ahead and replace this wire. So we're gonna see if we can get it from the junkyard and see if it can fix this up. So do your visual inspections first, see what happens. He put this used computer in, and he said when he tried to crank it, it just kind of made a click and then shut off. I can guarantee you high current passing through this, and we can see right here that's 100 amp. Alright, so if we look at this wiring diagram, as we can see, this is the fusible link box right here, battery at battery. So we have, what we see right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fuses. The one that we're looking at is going to be this 100 amp fuse right here with the black and red wire. Now if we look at this black and red wire, we can see where it goes to, and it goes to a lot of stuff. So it bridges out to other fusible links right here and different fuses that go to the electric power steering, anti-lock brakes, horns, starting system, headlights, cooling fans, and all this good stuff, ignition switch, and so on. So like I stated, the customer was basically freaking out. He found out that the vehicle was not turning on. There's basically no response at all, so he went ahead and got the PCM. But we can clearly see right now that this might be the issue right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead, get a we're gonna get another wire and another fusible link, and we're gonna put those on, and then we're gonna see if we can fix this issue. But like I said, always do that visual inspection. It can save you a lot of money just to look under the hood and see if there's an issue down there. Alright, I went ahead, replaced the wires. As you can see, we have some wires right here and some wires right there. So we had to reroute them. Got another piece. This comes from a dealer, so they just want to go for the cheapest route. So now, moment of truth. Let's go check this out. Gotta see if it turns on now. And beforehand, when I put the key on, the only thing I would get is just basically that little red light. So let's see what we have now. There you go. But bam. So customer, like I said, he changed out the PCM, and that was not the issue. It was just a burnt out wire. So there you go, the power of visual inspection. So if you do like this video, please throw a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the little notification bell to get all brand new videos coming out from Oz Mechanics.